miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 342, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Missouri, Franklin, and Gasconade. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 342 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Franklin, and Gasconade. This afternoon, sunny, warmer. Near steady temperature in the